Hi, I'm Dorian from Dorian Think to Success. In this video, I'm going to talk about what the DVSA are up to behind the scenes. So if you have a driving test booked or looking to book a driving test, stay tuned. Recently, I've done a video explaining what the DVSA are trying to do to reduce the backlog of driving tests. And then one of the options they was using was adding an extra time slot for the examiners. So let me just jump onto my computer and I can explain a bit more. So before COVID, the examiners were doing 7 tests a day. And the DVSA since COVID have been trialing an extra time slot, which now means the examiners will do 8 tests a day. So the trial is now over and the DVSA have decided to bring this in on the 11th of October. And as you can see from my screen, the union don't agree with it basically, and their members, i.e. the examiners, have voted overwhelmingly for strike action, which means if this goes ahead and the DVSA brings this in 11th of October, it means the examiners will start striking on odd days from the 11th onwards. So if you have a driving test booked, it may be cancelled, and obviously they're going to reschedule it. I would imagine and hope that they will prioritize those tests being cancelled. Obviously, if they just cancel it and don't prioritize you guys are going to go to the back of the queue, and the waiting time now is between 4 to 6 months for a driving test anyway. It's not all doom and gloom. There's still hope yet. The union, which is the PCS, are still open to talks, providing the DVSA push back the deadline of 11th of October. But as I said, they sent us the email to alert us so we can put our pupils on standby that the driving test may be cancelled. I will add to this as well, not all examiners are part of this particular union. So if there is strike on that particular day, you will probably still need to turn up for your driving test because your examiner may not be part of the PCS. So your instructor will keep you informed if you are taking the instructor, but if you are taking your test in your personal car, for example, and you know there's a strike, I will still turn up just in case your examiner is not part of the PCS. In the comments below, let me know if you got a test booked after the 11th of October and keep me informed. If I hear any more, I will keep you guys informed as well. I'm Dorian from Dorian Think to Success. If you got value from this video, please comment, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.